Oh my gosh. What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
I dropped it and they ran over it with the car, and it's just like, I don't know. I dropped it in my driveway and they ran over it and they just absolutely destroyed it, dude.
So why did you put it in rice?
I thought that was gonna help, man, but I don't think the rice did anything. I got rice in the phone.
So what are you trying to get it out? Your information?
Yeah, my data, my info and stuff. I got some important stuff on that phone, so.
Don't worry. I got you. Oh my gosh. Everywhere is rice. Alright, we're gonna install that our new original screen. Surgery time. Like, rice is everywhere. We know what we're gonna cook tonight. Alright, now everything is out, and this housing is basura. We cannot use anything on this one. I'm gonna replace the whole thing with the new housing. Time to put everything on the new housing. Your phone is ready, sir. Now
Damn, bro.
it's good to go. Everything is back to normal.
I can't believe you fixed it, bro. I thought it was done for. I thought it was over.
Yes.
Yeah, right?
It was cooked, huh?
Yeah, I thought it was cooked, bro. I thought it was beyond repair, but somehow you did it, man.
Like,
I really, yeah. Looks great. Looks great. What do you think?
dude, that's crazy. From that to this, amazing.
Yeah, man. Hell yeah. Appreciate it.
No problem.